3.5 pounds.
No complaining now. You wanted that turkey
Better
sandwich.
get you.
So now I'm about to do this right here. I'm gonna try to do this every day for the next, I probably should start on Monday, but guess what? Today is Thursday, and I want to go ahead and get started. I do want to start whitening my teeth. I want to go get them done. So I'm going to go ahead and start this process of trying to get most of this, just brighten them up. I used to be a smoker, and you know, when you smoke cigarettes, I drink coffee, and I know this is gonna work. Hey, sorry. I know it's gonna work, so I'm gonna put some of this inside some of this cup, because I don't want to waste the whole. Oh, it is a resealable, which is that's a plus. Ooh, yeah, it's a plus. So when it's a resealable, you can. Y'all, that's a whole lot of bacon. So this thing is full. This is 3.5 pounds. Yeah, 3.5 pounds. So I poured it in here to make it a little bit easier for me. Y'all, I told you I'm germophobic, but this thing gonna sink. I can wipe it down 1,000 times, and I still will feel the same way. Okay, I will feel the same way about the sink. Yeah. So I did put some in here. Okay, we're not doing that. We're just going. Okay, I'm just gonna put it straight on the toothpaste. Toothbrush, y'all. You go crazy. But I know you cannot swallow this. So I wanna, yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard, y'all. I think it's gonna be that difficult to put some baking soda on toothbrush. Okay, there we go. It's coming. See? You want to do it like that. And I don't have my timer. I don't know if Siri can work. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I don't think Siri gonna work on this phone. So hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, so that warning of the timer did go off. It was less than 2 minutes because, that was intensified, y'all. That was intensified. So I'm gonna, I don't have to do that every day because that got my gums kind of sore. I wasn't like scrubbing hard, but I do have some down here. I want to go to the dentist so they can get all this out. But yeah, girl, I want to go get me some veneers. If not that, everybody be going to Turkey to get their teeth done. So I am going to check into that to see how much they charge. because I have been getting a whole lot of things sent to me if I want to, get my teeth done. I'm guessing because I'm watching like them type of videos, so they're sending me stuff, which is a plus because your girl do. I'm okay with my gap or whatever. I just want these bottom teeth to get right, and I think that's coming from me from when I was used to smoke. These are here. These 1, 2, these 3. It's mainly the 2 in the middle, but I want them 3. I want them gone. So if I can try to find a way, to get that done, your girl is in. I really don't like, going to the dentist, but these are the only teeth you got. So you got to take care of them, right? So that's the only problem I have is just them 3. When I was smoking cigarettes, it just, it got me to where it didn't, and a drink coffee. So we got that out the way.